Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today just going to be taking you through how I look after my dinner plate dahlias, how I prune them in pots just so they don't take over, and how I'm going to get the best flowers possible out of them. These, just starting, this is Cafe. It's like a coffee coloured, as the name might suggest, Cafe. This one here, starting to produce some nice flower buds. But with these were pretty big tubers from last year, so all I keep doing is, because I only want one stem growing on these, all I keep having to do is just go around and basically just prune these back. And I may look like I'm being a bit savage with them, but I don't want all these side shoots. This is just going to put energy into, just put energy into the main shoot, like removing these. And removing all this growth will be forced into this main shoot here, where I'm going to have several flower heads on there, which is going to look absolutely awesome. You can see here, they'll be flowering over the next week or so, which is great. So I just get in here and just cut these back, like so. Hope everybody's keeping okay. We had some really good rain the last few days, which has really helped, because on about going through a bit of a drought here in the UK. We've not had as much rain as normal. We're normally quite a wet country. Normally get plenty of rain, but this year, with global warming, it has not been as good. Break that one off there. Want to clear, and then just a few of these bottom leaves. Just let a bit of light through to the rest of the flowers. As you can see here, that's looking a lot better. Have a look, just a little look back here. Look at the difference now. All the light and the air will get through here. Just cut this dead sweet pea down. All the light can get through now, allowing some air to circulate, and the light on these marigolds. Deadhead a few there. Yeah, the light will get through here now, and up the top here we'll end up with some absolutely magnificent Cafe dinner plate dahlias. So I just want to show you from here. Look at the difference. This is what we've got here, gladioli. I'll tie that in. As you can see here, they're just tied in to the main stem, because once these flower, these Cafe, the flowers are so big that if you haven't got any support, they will just go flat on the ground and probably snap the stem. See this one here? Just put one cane in here. If this was in the garden, I would put 3 canes in when I first planted them at a slight angle. Put 3 canes in, and then it would allow it to grow outwards, give it some support. With it being in a pot, I've not done that. I've just 1 cane, and that is plenty for that. I'll probably put another, I've tied it in there, and I'll probably just tie it in there as well next. Otherwise, with the weight, that will just go over. So yeah, that's how to prune back my dahlias. And while I'm here, this is what I'm feeding in them on at the moment. Here we go. All-purpose miracle growth, absolutely love it. 2 or 3 times a week, because they're really heavy feeders, as you can see with the size of the leaves. Absolutely munch through the food. Down here. Feel these bottom leaves off. A little bit of lighting. So yeah, these have been in the same pots from last year. And these little side shoots, don't need those. Pinch those out. So I want all the energy to be concentrated up here, the main flowers. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask folks. If you like videos, please subscribe and give me a like. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.